I'm Whitney Belkowitz, President and CEO of Intelligent Concrete.
And I'm David Harris. I'm the Principal Engineer for Intelligent Concrete.
And we are at ASTM in Denver, downtown Denver today. David, why are we here? What are we doing?
Well, ASTM, the American Society of Testing Materials. Yeah.
You just whipped that acronym
Whipped that right out.
Dude.
It should be called ISTM.
It should be.
You know, because it's international.
Right.
There's people here from Canada and Europe and Americas and Central and South America, Canada.
Yeah. America's just awesome, though, so we keep that.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Plus, the A helps keep it populate more easily on search engines, right?
That's right. It comes up first in the alphabet.
There you go.
I hadn't thought of that.
Well,
yeah.
okay,
Good for you. I hadn't thought of that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, happy to throw that in there.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
So what are we doing here today, David?
Oh, ASTM writes standards. They write what people follow, what people have to do. You know, we talked about that before, that if you drive down the highway, you drive 55 miles an hour. Why?
Well, some people do.
It's the standard.
Right.
So you have to follow the standards. So here we develop standards. We have people from all over the world, and they help write these standards, and those are what we use in the testing industry.
Right.
Just like our lab's a certified lab, we're certified to run by standard.
Well, yeah, and every one of our estimates has got ASTM C39 compressive strength, or 494, whatever.
Right.
We reference specific standards when we do our estimates because we are using these specific standards to run tests in our lab.
Right, and that way, you can compare Lab A to Lab B because they're all doing things similarly. You can compare numbers in the literature, because there's some baseline that they're following.
Right.
Right.
So, and what are you specifically doing here, David? Jonathan and I don't usually come to ASTM.
Yeah,
So David's our ASTM guy, but
the whole family's here today.
The whole family's here today.
So we are staffing out. We're actually writing the new standard for chlorosilica in concrete.
Right.
Yeah. So that is what's known here as CO924 Task Group 6. Turgid materials, emerging materials in concrete.
Yeah.
So it's pretty important to push the state of the art up into the industry. And then later tonight, I get to stay till very late. Got here very early.
Oh, dude, 7 a.m. meeting. What's that about?
Get to stay very late. Finish at 7 p.m. for emerging materials in surface treatments.
Right.
Be working on chlorosilica as a topical admixture.
Excellent.
So new standard, pushing new stuff out into the industry. Very important.
Love it. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So that's why we're here.
Cool. Anyways, thanks so much for joining. We're going to be talking some more about ASTM this week, so stay tuned for more videos. Go ahead, like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete.
And let's beat asphalt.
Thank you.